Hello and a warm welcome to all of you. Properties of light. This is the first topic in section 2 of engineering physics. Now light is a form of energy. It travels in the form of electromagnetic waves and it has a rectilinear motion. It travels in a straight line. Now we are going to see some properties of light in this topic. Some properties of light you have done in school, such as reflection, refraction, interference, diffraction, dispersion, scattering, etc. Now to begin with, here we are going to see refraction of light. So what is refraction of light? Let's see this figure over here. The figure shows a boundary which separates two media. Medium number 1 is air and medium number 2 is glass. Both the media are transparent. Now a ray of light PQ is incident at point Q on the boundary which separates the two media. Now when light is incident at point Q, it does not travel straight into the second medium. But as you can see in the figure, the light ray bends when it passes from first medium into the second. Now PQ is called as the incident ray, Q is called as the point of incidence. A imaginary line passing through the point of incidence is called as the normal, and QR is called as the refracted ray. This phenomena of the change in the direction of light when it passes from one medium into the other is called as refraction. You can also say that the bending of light when light travels from one medium into the other is called as refraction of light. So the definition of refraction of light is written over here. Change in the direction of light when it passes from one medium to another is called as refraction. Now back to the figure. The angle between the incident ray PQ and the normal, denoted by I, is called as angle of incidence, and the angle between the refracted ray QR and the normal is called as angle of refraction. Now there are three simple laws of refraction we are going to see over here. First law states that the incident ray PQ and the refracted ray QR lie on opposite sides of the normal. This is clear from the figure itself. Second law, incident ray, the normal and the refracted ray lie on a same plane. So now all these three lie on the plane of the paper. And the third law states that for a pair of media, that is plural of medium, for a pair of media, the ratio of sine of angle of incidence to sine of angle of refraction is constant. Now here the pair of media are air and glass. So now if we again repeat these laws, we have written down at the bottom. First law states that the incident ray and refracted ray lie on opposite sides of the normal. The second law, the incident ray, refracted ray and normal lie on the same plane. And the third law states that for a given pair of media, the ratio of sin I to sin R is constant. So we can write down sin I upon sin R is a constant. This third law is also called as the Snell's law